Breaking news, ebusuya me no ka say the Kantamanto market no eja esanso demo ebusuya enya asem ketua. Ukopimo Kantamanto market wa dia amanfo ne ma asan ahye ene no ebusuya eyawra wo sama chi say yebusa say enti den pa na de bia no ekọ so sa eye fire outbreak we Kantamanto market because this year early January market no ehye and the 21st of October 2025 Kantamanto market no asanso ahye amanfo ahwere sikanka sanka se ebusuya enya sem to nim se bronya eba in 2 months time di bronya in the 2 months prepare penalty se bronya na start man for start ko fa ne ma ba ebusuya me ata ko kra ne ma ka ho achese ebusuya aya ro se ma emunya sem ketua ebuta say den pa na problem no Kantamanto market ho no mo a de bia no honom ehye mo a moton ade ho no ma mo ne ma hye nyina no ye ma mo shedding enim se nya easy me anti so eton ne ma ho no ma ne store ton de ma boutique kese ni nyina so iron ahye and it's very 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 sad say bibi say no so I don't know what is wrong. Say electrical fault too. Say amount for the use gas too. Say you doing. We are waiting for a year Ghana national fire service a year update ebeba na yehu die ekofa agyache hye no ede ba Kantamanto market. Nti say wo hwe me bibia wo bia de a me no ka say the Kantamanto market no ahye abusuya enya asem ketwa. Yara wo sem epa na chese busuya esi ewo Kantamanto market enne no ekoko pie mu ewo no na kire se eja no ehyasie anope ya mu ane tete eja no ehyasie a start say she from echire no ede ba eye market no inside na amanfo ahwere enema papa busuya esewani ensa okakire amanfo ahwere enema mu niema nkasa na amanfo ahwere ewo Kantamanto market busuya merukoko pie mu ho de a aya awurawo sem wa kire se amanfo esu unim se bronya eba bronya is somewhere 2 months later in the year 21st you say by 2 months this year the next say you see Christmas week ni mo a ye di bronya na awrawo sem say esi emukura kire mo makofa niema makofa bronya niema makofa bronya niema kire say omode ba be di bronya what you say because bronya eba man for better to niema ni ade nti no ebumukura start ya omo to niema ombeton no from next month kwa ebronya niema kese busu me no ka say the sane mani nyina no ahye dwuro be kire say pin kura no busunya omo kire mu a enya de omo nya bi faaye na komodi de enim na ebuda say na omo hwe a den na ekofa ejahyehye yi ede ba ye na ebi mu kire mu say ye lights na say shocky yo say gas bio say den yo they can't really tell but it started from one side what you say it started from one side so when it started it was just a normal way be almost feels it's not going to cause any harm so they even tried using water saying come with you so now what you say so they tried to some be do mejano but through the effort now making they notice say like at the end like so basically they don't name the biom they didn't know what to do again so the best thing was to call the national fire service the Ghana National Fire Service GNFS so when they called the Ghana National Fire Service they came and bro they have tried their best and as you can see from the videos that we've shown you they are still trying to make sure some do mejano but it is actually not working but as I can say for now I'm not gonna say about 11:35 at Ghana time there fire service for no go so hono mo am try some bet me then do mejano but it is not easy that is what I can tell you from all the grounds. I've called me representative for hono mo me update na say or say omadum baby bebre a chese baby antade for no wona ne ade ne de tare ne bebre no ahia abusunya ayawre wo sem a enye asem keto a chese okokopie mu Kantamanto de na chese abusunya de ekoso ewo honom so no na market man fo ni bi so e de nsama to jo mo chese we ya ade a afibia no esi obeka ye see this year yimu a January aka first I think 2nd January o said bibisa boom ne no so ja eto Kantamanto market ni ho a eno so honom hye ya manfo ehwere nema bebre ene so no the same thing asanso repeating ho akire say amanfo akire say dan pa na ekoso ewo man ni mu a every single day no market she just say ebusuya ade wo say tebihwem na find the lasting solution to yes our problem here you face ewo Kantamanto market wo no na ye boama bibia no so ye kama na ye kama so ewo ho data en saka ye betimi dia amount from Kantamanto market say eja asanso ato ho no biom enti busuya ko so na share videos aka no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Mr. O communicators no ebi mo ho no so the chain ebo mbu cause o na bodamfo eyepe eba ne se na obeka se agede 111 no etise nkokobuo tiense mu na ndc communicator we no e da to dwa
there been no fm in 2023 so buy and pay now kaje over 9 good months yen fine sanka project be nkokobuo no mo de gu nrem no
mo spectators nesi so ni nkokobuo
kohwe poultry farm structure na kohwe sane man say does it worth a hospital
to move a poultry farm say go get
mimi o man panyi ma man ka me di atiche nkrofo o mo fa gugogum na yenya nkosu endi Okoboy is not a serious guy, madam. When I heard him, I was so ashamed of myself. Che, more awarded projects. Who? If I tell you as at now, some contractors don't even have contract documents. But they were making claims of payment. I buy nebe assuming power 7 December, and then start making payment for contractors to.
All right, ebusuya. What's here some kind or say agenda 111 hospitals no. It is nkokobuo. Fine. Unim sakofu the same thing omoka fa Jubilee House and the Mahama ti wono no. Sana tama na kufu osi. Omoka se Jubilee House no nkokobuo. Now so endis na edi kan ko mu first. And omoka agenda 111 na ye be si ewiama nurses ne doctors fo nya adwuma ye na ayarefo so nya bia kwa ayarehwe no. Omo se nkokobuo. E da say nkokobuo say netie on e da say chips compound amana na musisi usi chips compound na mo de bed 3 person no no po mo fe no hospital na nya hospital o timi de bed 100 esi mo fe nse nkokobuo we mu nya nam Ghana hanom mo we mu nam Ghana ha yo actually I don't want to verse Kennedy Japan yes see Bray Champion mao 5 million Ghana cedis tetisika no 50 billion Ghana cedis boga ameka asem kire say no kre send here Pious or your spokesperson Edema Bray Champion e can say no credit ya and now can Japan we a wicked man I'm telling you so ko G 50 billion old currency and it's kind of 5 million Ghana cedis and sa na okoye campaign there we a wicked man now we are giving less than 24 hours to come and reply give us a reply ne hu say no credit the Pious any Bray Champion team no can say Uji 50 billion old currency near kind of 5 million Ghana cedis and now by campaigner my hu say sana tie dia now we a wicked man pa Kennedy Japan